Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus on the line, and now there is more rumors and leaks coming about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 Plus Stylus get the FCC certified. Samsung is rumored to unveil the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus tablet in July or August. There is no word from the Korean tech giant about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus yet. But thanks to the leaked renders, we already know what they will look like. Both tablets have designs similar to the Galaxy Tab S6, and they also have grown on their backit for the S Pen stylus. We have not seen the actual S Pen for the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 yet, but now it has been certified by the FCC, hinting at the Amanet launch. The FCC listing does not reveal the design or features of the Tab S7 S Pen other than revealing its model number and a few specs like frequency range, modulation technique, and number of channels. The Tab S7 and S7 Plus both passed through the Geekbench recently with the Snapdragon 865 SoC chip and 6 gigs of RAM under the hood. The Tab S7 is rumored to pack 11-inch display, whereas the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus model will support a 12.4-inch big larger screen, both having a refresh rate of 120Hz refresh rate. Both model will support dual rear camera and have 5G support, at least in the US and Europe, but the smaller Galaxy Tab S7 has a 7760 mAh battery, while the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus have a big battery 9800 mAh battery cells. So guys, this is the for now latest leak, and also we have seen the Galaxy Tab S7 design with some leaked images, and also the S7 and S7 Plus renders videos also leaked. But let's see in upcoming days what more new leaks coming about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus, because we have 2 months away. Maybe this Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus launch in the upcoming month, July or August. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out. Bye bye.